Hello, my name is Selena King, and this is the Interactive Advanced Concept presentation, Elephant Toothpaste for Chemistry 126. So for this experiment, we needed warm water mixed with a packet of yeast, which you can see in the measuring cup on the right. And then on the left cup, we needed some hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, and some food coloring. And this wasn't exactly a fail, but it didn't turn out exactly how I wanted it to or what the other videos that I watched did, but it did create an exothermic reaction. But in the end, when I did this again, I found out that I just didn't use enough hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. So the elephant toothpaste experiment is an example of an exothermic reaction, and it creates oxygen in water. So when the foam is made, or when the foam forms, the foam is made when the dish soap traps oxygen bubbles that are created by the chemical reaction that is happening inside the cup, which is on the left, which we'll see in a minute. So when the hydrogen peroxide has the right conditions, a reaction can happen that breaks up the hydrogen peroxide into two parts, which is oxygen and water. And since the reaction is exothermic, like I stated before, exothermic meaning that it gives off heat, I'll explain what I observed and felt afterwards. So here is the experiment. So I'm taking the water, warm water and yeast, pouring it into the mixture there. You can see that it does create the foam. It just wasn't enough to overflow the cup. And I stirred it up a little bit afterwards, and it created a little bit more, but should have used more hydrogen peroxide and dish soap to get a more elephant toothpaste-like experiment. So in conclusion for this experiment, like I said before, it is an exothermic reaction that does occur, and since it's exothermic means that it gives off heat. So after observing this, after lifting up the glass cup, there was a little bit of warmth, and it was warmer than what the warm water was in the yeast. So it did create the exothermic reaction like we wanted. So thanks for watching.